Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be seeing how you can make money using Shutterstock, and stay tuned till the end to make sure you know you're earning the maximum amount of money using your photos or your affiliate programs, and how you can earn not only from Shutterstock but how you can earn from other stock photo websites. So stay tuned. Let's get started with Shutterstock. So there are two ways you can earn money on Shutterstock. First is by becoming a contributor. So by uploading images, you can earn money from Shutterstock. And the other way you can earn money from Shutterstock by becoming an affiliate. So what an affiliate is, whenever a person generates a sale for the company, so whenever you create a sale for Shutterstock, you're gonna get paid. So you can just refer like a photographer to a company and you're just gonna get a 20% cut of the overall deal, which is great for passive income. And you know, with the inflation that's going on, a little passive income hurt nobody. So let's get started with becoming a contributor first. So you're gonna search in your URL bar submit.shutterstock. So you're gonna search in your URL bar submit.shutterstock.com, and then this is gonna be your landing page. You're gonna click on get started, and then over here you're gonna put in your details, your email, password, and all that. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. So once you've entered all your details, you're gonna go over here. This is your dashboard basically. And over here, you can see on the left side, you can upload the content that you're creating. Over here, you can see how strong your profile is. So if a business is viewing your profile, what kind of impression they are going to get. Over here, you can see your earnings and see, the trends around the world. This is going to be your lifetime earnings, so the total amount of money that you've earned on Shutterstock, your monthly earnings, and the level of which you are considered. So level basically means what kind of creator you are. So it depends on how much content you've created till yet, how many sales have you generated, and yeah. So every time you sell an image or sell a video, you start leveling up. And after you sell like 100 photos, you're gonna be on level 2, and after you sell 10 videos, you're gonna be on level 2. So the dashboard is very easy to use, and you can just, click over here and start uploading the images you have and start earning money, which is very easy and simple to use. So this is a great way to start earning some passive income through just images and videos. Now, moving on to the second way that you can earn money using Shutterstock. You can use an affiliate program. So this is even easier than becoming a contributor. Like, trust me guys, this is super easy. You just join the affiliate program, you enter your details and all that, create your account. Once you've done all of that, you just refer people to other people. So if a business is looking for a photographer that can provide them views of the mountains, the sky and all that, tell them about a photographer that lives in the mountains, and they can just contact them. And once their deal is confirmed, you're going to be the middleman. You're going to get a 20% cut. So that is huge, and that is like very easy work. You just have to refer one person to the business or other person that's looking for the image or the creator. And every time you generate a sale, may it be for a small project, a large one, it could be like a huge project, so the cut will be fantastic. It could be over $200, or if it's a small project, it could even be like $20, $30, $40, but still it's very easy passive income. Another thing I forgot to mention is the shot list. So if you go on shutterstock.com/explore/the shot list, you can actually see what kind of content the creators are asking for. So that's so helpful, because you will know what businesses are looking for. You won't have to wonder what kind of images you should be shooting or what kind of videos you should be creating. Shutterstock is going to tell you what you should be doing, so you can focus your creative energy towards that project. So for most requested in August, you can see class in session because it's back to school season, so they need like images, small groups taking a variety of fun classes together. Some examples may include friends attending a sushi making or other culinary class, capture images of instructors leading their classes such as ceramics, portray a wide variety of group dynamics like senior citizens attending a knitting class or families together painting. So this is very easy to understand. Other than that, we have Young Money that's very much requested in the current shot list by Shutterstock, because in the rise of, electronic marketing and e-commerce, a lot of people are looking for stock images of young people earning money. So that's a very requested image or video, whatever you're creating. Eco-friendly homes, this is another very popular thing. You might have noticed, eco-friendly cars, homes, eco-friendly trash cans, all of that stuff is really being incorporated in our culture. So Shutterstock is looking for images depicting people using environmentally friendly technologies in their homes. And recycling and people lowering the power usage on their utilities and turning light switches off and installing solar panels. All that stuff is what businesses are currently looking for, because if someone is writing an article on solar powered energy, they probably won't have the time, and they don't have the time to actually go out and take images for their article. They will just search on Shutterstock and they will just find the image and purchase it. Other than that, we have heading to camp. Summer camps are in style and we want to showcase imagery of kids participating in all types of extracurricular activities, showing teens working with robots at STEM camp or interacting with telescopes at an astronomy camp. Depict coaches and counselors explaining a game to children and kids of all ages playing sports and participating in physical activities. Capture images of parents dropping their kids off at camp or picking them up. Because summers have just ended, so these kinds of images are still very popular and they have been requested a lot in August. So that's the shot list. Shutterstock is telling you what kind of images they want. They are making it very easy to set up your account, and they are also providing you with an affiliate link. So each time you generate a sale, you make one sale and you'll get 20% of the profit, and that is huge. Another thing that I had to tell you guys, which I told you guys in the start to stay tuned till the end, what was that? So there's this website called Photorloo.com. And this website enables you to create one single account, and it will post all your images on all these different kinds of stock sites. So everyone knows Shutterstock. We all have seen its watermark, and we also know Adobe Stock Images. These are the two biggest stock image sites, but a lot of smaller businesses actually go for the smaller sites because, they cost a lot less than Shutterstock, because Shutterstock does take a cut of the income. So if you create your account on this website and upload your image, it will upload your image as a contributor on all these sites. So it includes Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Big Stock Photo, Deposit Photos, 123RF, Alame, Dreamstime, and FreePic. So instead of posting your photo just to Shutterstock, it will post it to all these 8 websites, and you will be generating probably even thrice the income if you had just posted on Shutterstock. I hope you guys found that helpful. I hope this will help you earn some passive income, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye!